Welcome back to Around the Armstrong Table. Today, I got not one, but two delicious chicken wing recipes for you guys today. Cannot wait to show you these. I'm going to explain the details here in just a bit. Enjoy this video. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing some chicken wings. I'm gonna be doing two versions of the chicken wings. Some garlic Parmesan wings with some fresh Parmesan cheese shredded on top. And then I'm also gonna be doing some orange pepper wings. That's gonna include some other spices. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Enjoy this one, and I can't wait to show it to you. First things first, we always gotta clean our chicken wings or even just regular chicken. So what I like to do is make sure I rinse mine off and then I get them wiped down with some fresh lemons and make sure you clean them real well. And then you want to dry them extremely well before you start the cooking process. Next, we're going to break the wings down, separating the drums from the flats. I have 24 wings here that I'm going to separate. I'm trying to distribute them evenly, but I cater more towards one version of the wings versus the other one. And we're going to start with the hot honey orange pepper wings. Yeah, you heard me right. Hot honey orange pepper wings. So we got some orange pepper that we're going to get into a bowl. We're going to put in some Tony's, some smoked paprika, a little bit of avocado oil, and then some garlic powder. And then we're just going to get that mixed around and make sure we get the season all the way coated through. Look how beautiful that looks. It's right on point. And then next we're going to start with the spicy garlic Parmesan wings. And these are real simple. Put a little bit of slap your mama, some roasted garlic seasoning on there, and then also some garlic paste. And then you want to get that mixed around as well. Now notice I did not add salt because both of the seasonings have a lot of salt already incorporated. So now that they're all seasoned up, we're going to bake these at 400 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes. Now I got some butter that's going to go on my garlic Parmesan wings, including butter, Italian seasoning, garlic paste, and then also some of that roasted garlic seasoning. See you back in a minute. The wings have come out of the oven and they look absolutely beautiful. So first I'm going to do the garlic Parmesan wings, getting that butter on top. I'm going to get those tossed really quickly, and then I'm going to add some fresh Parmesan cheese on top of those. And these bad boys are done. They are tender, delicious. They smell amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. Next, I'm going to get them on a plate and just get them ready for a presentation so I can show you guys what the finished product is going to look like. I'm going to stack these bad boys up nicely. Try to make them all nice and fancy for you best I can. But they look amazing. Guys, please take the time to like and subscribe and follow me on all of the social media platforms. Next, we got to throw some Mike's Hot Honey down. We're going to put the other wings down. And we're going to finish these bad boys off with some of that Mike's Hot Honey. And I mean, come on, man. Just look at that. Add a little bit of green onions for garnish. And these wings are done. Enjoy this.